In today's video, we're going to look at the accessibility of a document after it has been e-signed using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump right in. All right, this document has already been made accessible. We have our figure tag, our H1P tag, and our form fields. And I have a signature field at the very bottom. Let's go ahead and select the All Tools button, and then I want to select Fill in Sign, and let's do Request e-signature. And I'm going to send this off to my email account. We will do Specify where to sign. I don't believe that we need to edit any of the fields here because I had already made this form accessible and the form fields fillable. So we're simply going to select Send. And it was just sent to be signed by the user. All right, we're gonna go ahead and open up this form in our browser, and we need to fill out this form. So we will do Sean, and then I want to sign it. Do Sean Jordison, select Apply, and then we will say click to sign. And it says all set, the form has been signed. Now I'm gonna go back to my email, download the document that I just filled out, and it is now certified by Adobe Acrobat Sign. So normally what happens when the document is signed is it is now like in lockdown because we don't want to be able to edit any of the actual form fields that are in here or any of that information. What's interesting is it doesn't appear that the signature actually appears for the accessibility of this. Let's go ahead and launch JAWS and see what happens.
JAWS, form sample left parent e-sign applet. The accessibility guide logo graphic. Heading level 1 application for the...
So far it is reading the accessibility of my document.
This application will be used first name colon, last name colon.
Ooh, but the Sean is not being read aloud.
Phone number, email address, ballot box. Do you have experience with access ballot box? Do you, Sean Jordan? Signature signed by Adobe Acrobat Sign less Acrobat Sign certified at adobe.com greater time 2024.08.0195748-0700.
I don't know what it's reading there, but it's not my signature.
Signed by Adobe Acrobat Sign less signed by Adobe Sign.
So it's kind of accessible.
JAWS Home Manual, JAWS Context Menu option.
But it does not appear that the data that was entered into the form using Adobe eSign comes through accessible whatsoever. What's interesting to me now is I wonder if we can even do anything with this. Oh yeah, there's nothing we could even do in terms of making it accessible now that it has been signed. So no changes are allowed. Let's see if we can validate all the signatures. So in the signatures panel, I'm opening up the options button and then I'm gonna select validate all signatures and then select OK. All right, now it says all the signatures are validated, but that content is still not appearing. Let's go ahead and launch the accessibility checker. We'll do start checking. And here we go. We've got a bunch of content that is not tagged. Oh, I didn't even see this, that it added all this information in here. But none of that content is accessible. So this content is not tagged. We've got tagged annotations not tagged, tab order failed, and alternate text failing for other elements needing alt text. So unfortunately, it does not appear that documents maintain any of their accessibility after they have been e-signed. I'm hoping in the future Adobe will address this specific problem, but as of today, it does not appear to be working correctly. If you want to find out how I can help you get accessible, take a look at the link in the description of this video. And as always, I could be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.